So when I observed the adapted math class, the students were learning rules for adding integers, positive and negative, and they were going to apply these problems to addition of integers. So it was really awesome because there's only two students in the class, but they were on completely different learning levels. So one of the students had cerebral palsy, and the other student has a specific learning disability. However, the student with cerebral palsy was much more advanced than the student with the specific learning disability, so it was kind of great to have them in that adapted setting because the teacher could then really kind of cater the lesson to each of them. And she just had a boatload of different technology resources. She had a number line that she had put out on the floor that she was having the students jump the number line to count from negative to positive. So that was really kinesthetic, and it kind of helped include kind of that multiple means of representation and like learning the information in different ways. She also had an app on her iPad that she was letting the student who was a little bit more advanced manipulate after she was done doing the independent work, so that way she could just practice more. And that was a lot of fun, and it included the technology in the lesson. So I just thought it was really great that they were in the lesson together. She had a lot of different sayings and little songs to help them remember, like keep, change, and different little mnemonics that she was able to help maneuver. And I feel like by being in the adaptive setting, it was much smaller, so that way the students could really receive the resources and the supports that they needed that they wouldn't really receive in a larger classroom. So I thought the adaptive setting was absolutely awesome. They also had their additional adult assistants with them there too, so that way when the teacher was working with one student, maybe one student who was struggling more than the other, the additional adult assistant could assist the other student, and that way everyone was still kind of getting the instruction that they needed. So it was just a really awesome opportunity.